ChatGTP is the best AI currently available to write scripts, and you can use it for other work as well. Now, first of all, you have to write a script for the topic related to the story. After taking such a document, copy it. If you search Google, there are many web pages that can do text-to-AI speech. Otherwise, I will put down the links of several such sites. If not, you can search 11 Labs AI on Google and then search for it. Paste the script that you have copied to another notepad. According to the script you wrote, the voice is now ready. Download it now. Now all you have to do is go to the AI photo generate website called Lixica, search for photos related to the script story and download it. Now you can put your own name in an editing software and edit it. First, add the photos that you put on the end and then add the edited voice clip. I put it. The video is now ready. You can export the video with the quality you like.
Upon a time, in a small village nestled near the edge of a vast forest, there lived a curious and adventurous little boy named Oliver. With his bright blue eyes and a mop of unruly brown hair, he was always seeking new and exciting adventures.